Page 72. Language practice. Third conditional.
If you had invented it, what would you have done?
If I had invented it, I could have made a lot of money. I probably wouldn't have done anything if I'd had the idea.
If I had received that as a gift, I would have returned it.
I wouldn't have made fun of it if I'd known it was this useful.
If she hadn't been an inventor, she might have been an artist.
I had. I'd.
Page 72. Pronunciation. Changing syllable stress. Listen. Notice the changing syllable stress in different parts of speech. 1.
Adapt. Adaptable. Adaptation.
2.
Innovate. Innovative. Innovation.
Page 73. Listening. Listen to people describing new inventions. Write the correct invention.
Today on What's New, we talk to Pete Bredis. Pete works for the magazine Inventor Today, and he's written the cover story on this year's Invention Awards. Pete, welcome to the program.
Hi, Renee. It's a pleasure to be here.
Give us a little background, Pete. How did you choose the winners?
We gave prizes to inventions that really made a difference in people's lives.
I see. So what made the list?
A cooking pot.
What?
Yes, I know what you are thinking, Renee, but this pot is smart. It's called the chef pot because it is a chef and a pot in one. It has sensors that gather information, and it tells you what to do.
Wow, that's ingenious. Sounds like a great gift for a lot of people I know.
Exactly. That's why it won an award. It makes life easier.
So, any other contraptions?
Well, robots. We had to give an award to a robot. Inventors are doing amazing things with them these days. We found a team of inventors in Canada with an interesting idea. They created Friendabot. Friendabot is a small robot with special software. You can program its personality.
You're kidding. You can design your robot's personality?
Yes. You can actually create a robot friend.
How futuristic.
Well, it's still not like a human friend. It can't give you a hug, cook your dinner, or play tennis, but it can search the internet and talk about your favorite sports team.
Wow. Was the robot the winner?
It was near the top. We actually gave first place to an invention that saves lives. It's a tiny, inexpensive medical device. It's called the Mini-Medi Lab. It can test for diseases in places without hospitals, and it doesn't need electric power.
It doesn't need electricity? How does it work?
You turn a handle to power it. That means it's affordable and portable. The inventors were doctors, and they said that if they had invented it 10 years ago, they could have saved over 1 million lives in poor countries.
Wonderful. One more question, Pete. Are you an inventor?
I wish. But no, I had some great science teachers in school, but I wasn't good at science. If I'd listened to them, maybe I would have invented something.
Page 73. Listening plus. Listen to two callers. Select the statements that match Pete's advice.
Looks like we have callers. Hello, caller. You are on the line.
Hi, I want to ask Pete a question. What advice do you have for new inventors?
Find a community. There are places called maker spaces in many cities. They have machines and tools. When you join the maker space, you usually have to pay, but then you can use the equipment to work on your invention. You also meet people who can help you.
I'll do that, thank you.
Here's another. Larry, You are on the line.
Hi, Pete. I have an idea for an invention, but I am afraid someone might steal it.
Let me ask you a question, Larry. Can you make the invention by yourself?
Not at the moment, no.
Then you have two choices. One, you can figure out how to make it.
How do I do that?
Learn the skills and maybe buy some tools. Or, two, you can bring in partners who have the skills, money, or tools. There are thousands of ideas out there, Larry, but an idea by itself is not enough. You have to be able to build the thing.
I see.
Don't give up, Larry.